Ki nong teri Asha kejelah hapok kalama jongka Meghalaya Asha Workers Union haka arp mulai terik ujeliau kilarai ban beteng biang ya kejeng ajing syakri jongki nado ka arp sau terik mentau benai. Hadian bagi sorkar jela kala kular ban ajing yarap yaki. Menteri Ketenat kakot kakia ubah ALHEC ulalu megajing yelang bagi nong teri Asha haka balaidon lang ki he officer Ketenat kakot kakia bat kinong yelam kesenjuk kinong sensyar shnong keberiuh nyau trep. Habis keren bagi nong patai kubor ubah ALHEC ulong baga jingelang bat kinong teri Asha kelalong ke basai so. Bat kinong teri Asha kilarai ban weng no ikajingi hi jengki hadian bagi sorkar kelasy mekarai ban ajing yarap yaki. Ulong bagi nong teri Asha kilayo tang ya kajing yarap naka National Health Mission. Bagi sorkar jela kelarai ban ajing yarap no arhajar tengka ya iwe nong teri Asha bat ikan ni kepisa on pa bet check account jengki. Nalor kania ke National Health Mission ke Aisyah Hajar Tengkai kinong teri Asha kum kadak jong kejing ajing syakri hapdeng kejing sapriang ka kelam COVID-19. Bad hakabayday bekaniru na kaliang kesorkar kan sa Aisyah Hajar Tengka ya kini kinong teri Asha. Uba ALHEC ulong bahalor kejing saateng ban pelat kejing yarap syaki lengba ka Meghalaya Maternity Benefit Scheme. Kesorkar jela kalarai ban pelat no kepisah nado kesenam arhajar katway hado kesenam arhajar kat pra badan pelat ha unai tung mentag kesenam kebankot syaka arpuar kelur tengka na kebenta ki hendriu hajar tam kinong teri Asha ki badan ha kejela.
So all the discussion we had, it is very agreeable and successful. The thing is like this. Also we have told them after our discussion you should call off your indefinite strike. So that also they have agreed. Then now from the government we have come forward. Now they are getting only the incentive from the NHM. Now the state government are going to give them incentive of 2,000 rupees. That is not based on performance. Whether they work or they don't work also, that 2,000 rupees will be given to them every month. And also they are saying they've been delaying to disburse the amount to them. They said that is from the July onward. We will have our software which will start from the Umling, that is the pilot project. Their salary, honorarium, whatever incentive they're supposed to get, it will go directly to their personal account of the Ashas. And also we said that during this pandemic, during the pandemic, the NHM is giving incentive of 1,000 rupees. We said that also, we the state government also will pay you 1,000. Apart of 2,000, another 1,000 also will pay you for incentive for the COVID during this pandemic. Then also the pending dues, which is pending for the Asha benefit scheme and the Meghalaya maternity benefit scheme, which is pending till 2018. That we said by July will clear all the amount, whatever amount. Then again they have demanding, he said, what about the 2019 and 2020? We said that one will not be able to give you any assurance at present, but the door has not closed. That also will be worked out. But the government decided whatever dues pending from 2011 to 2018 will be clear in the months of July.
Hoat na kaliang kejungi dangi perkat halor kejing kiu jong kini kidor kimarbam kimardi long ngisngau tu bahkan ni kampat biang hina ke benta kejungi tengi la persyang hiru bangin ya keren ni ongi klembu ya kenu ka fix amount mo na kaliang kejungi nrei pin sobha ban penkiu idor kendiat iban ya habdor kat kum kejuk ke bamenta tena kaliang jong ipat ila request ong bahkan ni kadang dai tang kejing sedang kam dai hiru kejing kut ti ongin sanang le ya kene na kapor syakapor bangin nang ya le hiru ban penkiu ya kene ka fix honorarium tena kaliang jong hiru kum kinong ya lam jong kami Meghalaya Asha Workers Union hi kum bangila yo ban ya keren men bat i nginom syong thaj bangin siapa ya kene kum bangila keren after 3 months and 4 months ngila ban sedang ban follow up no ya kene bakin nang kham penkiu syu tena kaliang ke jong akum ke president jong kami Meghalaya Asha Workers Union hi ha kene ke si ngila pen bena bangila weng no ya kene ke indefinite strike kum bangi ngila bu namar halor ke jing ya keren ke jongi bangila ya rai bangin penkot ya kene ke strike leng bada ke bangin pediang syua ya ini fix honorarium ibadai ar hajar terkasih benai kendiat halor kani ke jing weng jongi ya ke strike kumban ajing tip se barokot ki Asha ki badon hapok ke satri jong ke Meghalaya Asha Workers Union ni banadu ke lasai ke si kilak ban sedang ban traino e kakam ke jengki